Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Git Bash with VS Code. You'll be able to run an integrated Git Bash terminal in VS Code. To start, open your browser so that you can download and install Git Bash and VS Code. So open your browser and let's get started. First, search for Git. Then you can click download for Windows. Download 64-bit setup, but if you are using a 32-bit, you can still install 32-bit for Windows. Then you can go for VSCode. VSCode download stable for Windows. You can go to your downloads programs. I've downloaded both of them. So we start by installing VS Code. Say I accept. Next. 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 Add this and this so that you can be able to open with files. Okay, it gives you an open with option. Okay, ensure you also have this option, add to path. Next, then you can now install. You wait for the setup to complete. Okay, it has finished. Now let's install Git. Click here. Click next. Say yes. Ensure these options are checked. Next. Next. So here is where you add. You say we'll use Visual Studio as Git's default editor. This option will enable you to integrate now Git Bash with VS Code. Let's show you selected it. That option. Use Visual Studio Code as Git's default editor. Then next. Next. Then you can also read this Git from the command line also. Then click use Git as optional Unix tools from the command prompt. Next. 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 Till you finish. Then you can now wait for the installation complete. It has finished. You can create a new folder to see if Git has integrated with VS Code. Show more option. Open with code. I can come here to terminal. New terminal. Then I can click here. Click Git Bash. You can see now Git Bash now is working. You can run commands here. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.